Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Prices on domestic front were badly hit yesterday, with policy moves from the government led to a healthy correction on MCX. Meanwhile, these corrective moves had made domestic prices competitive and could revive demand in the longer run. On international front, with dollar recovery seen on cards, traders seem reluctant to take buy positions and prefer to wait for more cues about the Fed policy path before positioning for the next leg of a directional move for gold. Hence, the focus remain on the release of the US price index data on Friday. In the meantime, traders will take cues from the global flash PMI due later today. Gold intraday support is around 68,200 and 67,500, while resistance is around 69,300 and 70,000. Going ahead with energy update, though China remains the major pain point for oil demand, while non-OPEC supplies rising consistently, we don't see WTI oil sustaining below $75.76 level. This is on the back of the supply threat arising from the ongoing geopolitical tension and weather related disturbance ahead of the strong hurricane season. After the API data reported surprise drawdown in US inventories, focus today will be on the official EIA weekly inventory data. A fourth consecutive week draws in US crude stockpiles would push prices higher and vice versa. Crude oil intraday support is around 6,380 and 6,290, while resistance is around 6,560 and 6,640. Going ahead with base metal update, copper fell to lowest level in almost 4 months on concern that Chinese demand for industrial metal is weakening. Therefore, the path of least resistance for metal remains lower as the investors adjust to slowing growth, rising inventories, and breakdown on charts. Today, attention will be on global PMI data due later today. Copper intraday support is around 790 and 775. Resistance is around 810 and 817. On currency front, dollar index steady around 104.5, inching closer to 2 weeks high as investors look forward to the latest US manufacturing and service activity data to assess the health of the economy. Rupee is expected to decline further on Wednesday due to a rise in the dollar index and a possible slowdown in equity flows. Major events scheduled today are US S&P Manufacturing PMI, S&P Global US Service PMI, US crude oil inventories. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.